Seamus Marley's past and background had a nervous role on me, especially coming forward, and the other victim, to walk into a Garda station separately to make a statement. Because if we were to walk into a PSNI station down the north, we would never have got to court. Sinn Féin have their rules.
But Sinn Féin say
stroke the IRA have their rules. You abide by their rules.
What caused you and the other victim in this case to come forward in the first place?
To make it short and sweet, the smug look on Mary Lou McDonald's face was basically why myself and the other victim made statements.
You're saying this was
because
this was during the debate about surrounding the Maria Cahan case back in 2014.
Yeah, and that was the reason. I just sat back and said, enough is enough. I'm a victim. I want justice.
There is another part to this investigation that you now want to be brought to fruition. What is that?
I would like Paudie McGahon and co to be investigated thoroughly, and I call on the government and the Commissioner Drew Harris to take me seriously now. Have an investigation into the perversion of justice.
Perverting the course of justice?
Perverting the course of justice, yes. Because when Seamus Marley raped me, he told me if I ever opened my mouth, I'd be shot and found on the border road. I'd be shot dead. So that's a threat from a member of an on-the-run IRA man. So you take that threat seriously. You don't walk away and say, well, I'm going and I'm telling on you. I couldn't even tell members of my own family.
There were three people convened, or a sort of a court panel convened to listen to
when you walk into the room, there's a table set up.
So they found what they found, and they said you have the alternative to take action against this man. He's been punished. We believe you. Yeah. Why then did you go to the Gardaí?
Going back to the debate around the Maria Cahan situation, I just felt that Sinn Féin were laughing at me, not behind me back, at me. And I just said, enough is enough. I'll take whatever comes. I'll take whatever abuse on the streets, physical abuse. I've took it all, but I'm here.
That's since you first went public?
First went public. But that's just Sinn Féin IRA as a whole. That's the way they try and shut you up, they try and intimidate you. No, not happening. I'm sitting here now with justice in my hands. I waited so many years.
Saying that you were accused by other Republicans here in your hometown of being a traitor. Traitor to the cause.
A tout. I'm no tout. I was a victim. Afraid to come forward for so many years. I came forward. The other victim came forward.
But you broke the code of Omerta.
I know what they can do with their code. They could actually stand up and be counted and help the many, many other victims from many, many other volunteers around the country for so many years. They could actually stand up, Sinn Féin, Mary Lou McDonald, Jerry Adams, and say, come forward to the Gardaí, not to us, not to Sinn Féin. Come forward